Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 33.10 here for a put contract. So need the price come up a bit more. Change that to 32.50 now, or excuse me, 32.10. I'm doing options, so if you don't know what I mean when I say that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free guide that I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through all this and the terms and all the terminology. Can options be complicated? Sure, but they can also be approached in a simplified way, and I approach them in a very simple way, so I'm not trying to make them overly complicated within my trading. Again, you can, but they don't need to be, and I take more so the pathway of not needing to be. So if that sounds like more of your personality to try to just keep things simple, then like I said, let me know in the comment section, guide please, or guide, and I will link you to that free class. All right, well, I need to see the price come up a bit more, and then maybe I'll have a trade. I will pause for now. Have a put here at 39 that I grabbed, trying to get out at 40, and out at 40 for a $100 scalp. I don't think I hit the record button. So I put in the order and I got filled immediately. So I apologize for that, but I think I got the more exciting part to see whether or not I could get out of the trade. And I did. So one contract there, I was in the trade for, because I hit record like a second after I got filled. Because I'm so used to hitting, a buy button and then having it not get filled. So then I still have a second to hit the recording or get the recording started. That makes more sense for those of you that have watched past videos. You've seen me where I'll be recording. My order is already sitting out there. So that's what I'm used to. But this one, I thought that was going to be the case, but it filled me right away at 39. And like I said, at least I got the recording started so you could see it, the exit. But so that trade gave me a quick $100. So that was $100, and literally, I don't know. Well, I mean, you can see right there on the timestamp. I'll pause and I'll bring that up. So for those of you not familiar with my screen right there, you can see I got filled at 10:19:50, and then I got out at 10:19:55. So right there is 5 seconds, which gave me $100. So yes, believe it or not, in the markets, you can make $100 in 5 seconds. Now, is it going to happen every single trade? Can you make $100 every 5 seconds? Of course not. That's not my claim. My claim is that it is possible. If you get the right entry and you look for the right exit, then it is indeed possible, as you saw right there. So yes, $100 in 5 seconds. All right, going to try for a put here at 40. Actually, I'm going to cancel that out. See if it wants to come up a bit more, which it seemingly does. Still should maybe be getting in here at 40. Yeah, 40 would have worked out just fine. I think. I want to see 40. Yeah, oh yeah, yep. All right, that would have been a little $50 scalp there. Okay, I'll pause. Have an order at 34.70, and for a second it was looking like it might have been a chance, but maybe this was just a fake breakdown here. Looking for it to come down a bit more, but as of now, never mind. Have an order at 36.50 here for a put. Looking for it to come up a bit more. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 37.10 now, moved it up here. So I'll pause, keep a close eye on it though. All right, gonna go for call here at 37, in at 37, and out for $50. Again, I don't know, was that 3 seconds? 1001, 1002. No, that wasn't even 3 seconds. That had to have been about 2 seconds. So I do want to try again, but this time we'll be looking for a fake breakdown. So this thing needs to come to that blue line and then push down through it and make somewhat of a move. So I'm at 32.70, but there we go. So I mean, 2 trades, and both of these trades easily under 10 seconds in total. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 33.70. That's what I wanted, but it would not fill me. So let's go to 30.70 instead. Maybe I should have held stronger at that blue line because it bounced right off it, but I'm not sure if it would have been filled or not. I mean, I nailed it in terms of where that blue line should have been, where the price came down. But as you just saw, I didn't quite nail the option. Maybe I did. Maybe I should have held in there just a few more seconds longer, but I like to get filled a little quicker than what I was. But in hindsight, the wrong choice, but also to keep it as realistic as possible. I don't know if I would have necessarily been filled anyways, so I'll have to go back and look at that. But the power of charts absolutely nailed that level right there. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out. Let's adjust this up to there now. So my new next entry point will try to be up there at 40 or 435.60. I will pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. That was kind of my last shot, and it is what it is. I'm just going to call it good. So as I stumble over my words, that one definitely got to me. I'll have to go back and look and say, hopefully when I go back and look, I'll be able to say to myself, okay, it wouldn't have mattered anyways because you would never gotten filled. But I think I would have had I just waited a little bit while longer, but that's kind of how the cookie crumbles. But if anything, hopefully that shows you that there is power in technical analysis, and that is certainly a tool that I would encourage you to use. And watch this. I'll turn that into a quick sales plug. So if you like and want to learn more about charts and you want to surround yourself with lots of other traders that do use charts, then consider joining my community. Just go to claychart.com/team, TEAM. And like I said, that's a great way to surround yourself with other quality technical chart traders. So, but that's all I have for you. So yeah, a crazy day when you think about it. The $100 trade was what, 5 seconds? The $50 trade was like 2 or 3 seconds. So not a huge amount dollar-wise, but when you look at the time involved, less than 10 seconds, which is kind of crazy. But that's all I have. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's the fastest trade you've ever made. Have you had any of these couple second trades? Hopefully so people don't think that this is some sort of thing that doesn't actually happen in the real world. So let me know down in the comment section. But thank you for hanging out, and I will see you back for the next one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.